We discussed regarding the arrays, right?
No.
Arrays not discussed yet.
No.
Okay. We will discuss arrays.
Okay.
See, previously we discussed, right? Int a equal to 10, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, a value is, what is the
10.
a value?
10.
10. You can store only one value, right? Here.
Yeah.
Okay. Only one.
Mhm.
So, instead of one value, you save the group of values.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Instead of a single value, in group of value, you can use array.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Array. To store group of values. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Group of values
Yeah.
based on index. See here only one value. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mhm.
But you store group of value based on index. We can store a group of value based on index. So how
Yeah.
to declare array? So same int data type, right?
Yeah.
Int is a data type. Na int
A.
any name.
Yeah.
Any name. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Array. This is the array. Open bracket, close bracket. This is the array. Okay.
Mhm. Yeah.
New int of. Now tell me. So
0.
int array, right?
Yeah.
Here
A
is
equal. Yeah. 10.
a equal to 10. So you can store a value as a 10. Only one value is
One value.
possible to store.
Mhm.
But here you declare a integer array. Integer
Array. Yeah.
array. Array means open bracket and close bracket. This is array.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mhm.
The array. Any reference name equal to new
New
int of
integer 5.
and size.
Mhm.
Size.
Yeah.
The array size. Okay. See, this is a based on index, right? We can
Yeah.
store values, values based on index. Okay. Yeah, as
Yeah.
of now, you declare a one array with the size of
5.
5. So in this array, you can store how many values?
5. 5 values.
That's
Yeah.
it. Okay. Not more than that. Only 5 values.
Mhm.
Okay. ARR of ARR of array starting from 0. Okay.
Yeah. Mhm.
ARR of 0 equal to
1 or 10.
yeah.
Okay.
ARR of 0 equal to
10.
10. ARR of 1 equal to 20.
20.
ARR of
2 equal
2
30.
equal to
30.
30. ARR of
3
3 equal to
40.
30. 40. ARR of
4 equal 50.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
How many values are there now? How many values?
Five values.
5 values, right?
Yeah.
You can store only 5 values. That's it.
Yeah.
This array is index. The array size is 5, right?
Yeah.
You store only 5 values.
5 values.
Okay. Not possible to store 5
Yeah.
equal to is not possible.
It's not possible
Why?
because it's starting from 0. It's also up to 4. Yeah.
Starting from 0 to 4 means
5.
how many values? 5, right?
Yeah.
So index starting from 0, not 1.
Yeah.
This is the confusion. So 0, not 1. 0 is 1, like that. Okay.
Yeah.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, how many values are there?
5.
5 values are there. So you can store up to 5. It's not possible to store 6th value. Why? Your index is okay.
5.
Array size is
5.
You declare 6 now, then it's possible.
Okay. Yeah.
Got it, right? So, but my requirement array size is 5. So
5.
you can store only 5 values. That's it. So index is starting from 0 to 4. That's it. 0 to 4. Okay?
Yeah.
0 to 4. So, see, okay? This is the array. See, you declare int a equal to 10, right?
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
And the time, what is the integer memory allocation? Memory integer for 4 bytes, right?
Yeah.
4 bytes for memory. Okay, I equal to 10. Right?
Yeah.
But coming to arrays now.
Yeah.
Coming to arrays, okay. The size is only 4 bytes, right?
Yeah.
But arrays now. So this is the array. What is the size of the array? 5, right?
5. Yeah.
Okay. Means 1,
2.
3. Okay.
Yeah.
5, right?
Okay.
This is the, what is the index for this one?
For the arrays?
0. This is the 0.
1.
1. This is 2.
2, 3, and 4.
3 and
4.
That's it.
Yeah.
Only 5 values, right? So 5. This is all are integers, right?
Yeah.
So you declare integer na.
Yeah.
Okay. You can store only integer. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay. Not possible to store. Not possible. Why? This is not a float, right?
Yeah.
See, the data type is integer. Now you can store 5
Only
values only.
Yeah, whole
But
number.
5 values are
Yeah.
only. Okay. Not possible to store float string like that. Okay. Integer now you can store only integers. You declare a float now you can save the floats.
Yeah.
You declare a string now you can save the strings like that. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. One integer 4 bytes, right?
Yeah.
Say 4 byte, and this is a 4 byte. Okay. Yeah. 4 into 5, right? 4 5 ja 20, right?
20.
What is the array allocation?
Up to 20 bytes.
20 bytes. This array size is 20 bytes. Why? One integer is 4 bytes.
Each one is 4. Yeah.
5 array type is 5, right?
Yeah.
20 bytes memory allocation for this array.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. What about this value? 10.
10
This
each.
is it.
Yeah.
10.
20. 30. 40 and 50.
That's it.
Mhm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. That's it.
Yeah.
This is a
There
array.
is
This is a array declaration. Now
declaration.
tell me
Yeah.
what is the declaration? Data type, open bracket, close bracket, any name. Okay. Any name
Yeah,
equal
any
to
name.
new data type of size.
Yeah.
You declare a string array. Now, how to declare string array? Tell me. String,
String, then
any
first
name.
any name, first bracket, second. Yeah.
Array, string array, any name equal to new
String.
new string of
Then you can put any
size. Okay.
yeah. Mhm.
Okay. Now tell me what is this array? String array
String
and
array
size with
is 10.
array
Mhm.
size 10. Okay.
Mhm.
Got it right?
Yeah.
This is the just declaration, right?
Yeah.
Just declaration. This is the just declaration.
For
And this
integer.
is a
Integer.
this is a you assign values.
Yeah.
Assign values. Okay.
Yeah.
Initialize the values, right? In
Yeah.
array, nothing is there. You initialize AR of 0. So array is based on index only. Okay.
Yeah.
The
Mhm.
0 position, what is the which element are there? 10 is there.
10,
First position, 20 is there.
20,
Second
30,
position, 30. Third position, 40.
40,
Fourth position,
50.
like that.
Yeah.
Okay. How to get the value? Okay.
So you need to console dot write line.
I need a fourth position index.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you just need to put like array 4. Yeah.
That's it. ARR of
Yeah. 4.
4. That's it. What will print here?
Number 50.
Yeah, but 50 will print. Now, what is the fourth? Which element are there in the fourth position? 50 is there,
50.
right? It will
Yeah.
print.
50.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Now.
Now nothing will print because for integer there is no fifth.
So
it will be
only
default.
0 to 4 positions are there. Okay.
Yeah.
Fifth position is not there. Okay.
Yeah.
So just I'm printing this one. See what will happen. So start. Word. Okay. Printed, right?
Yeah.
4 now. What is the fourth index? In the fourth index, you stored 50, right? Okay.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay. See, when I run it now, what will happen? Not possible, right? Only 5 arrays, right? 5 values. Already 5 values are done. Is not possible to store
Yeah.
6th value.
Store 6. Yeah.
When I try to run now, it will get a runtime exception saying, say, what is the index?
Yes. System
Out
index.
out of range
Range.
exception.
Yeah.
Index out of range means that index is maximum 4, 0 to 4, right?
Yeah.
You are trying to out of range. So size is 5, already done. Okay. The index is not possible. This is the exception. Okay.
Yeah.
In the same way. Okay. Now G5. What will happen now? Here also?
Yeah. Exception.
exception.
Yeah.
Why? Only 4, right?
Yeah.
The maximum capacity 4 now, here also same.
Yeah.
Array
Mhm.
index out of range exception.
Yeah.
So maximum 5
4.
5 arrays
Yeah.
are there, right? 5.
Mhm.
That is the system index out of range exception. Okay.
Yeah.
See,
Yeah.
as of now, you printed only one values, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mhm.
Now I print all values. Tell me.
So that would be like console dot write line 0 comma maybe
Like
1
that.
2
So
3
instead
4.
of
Yeah.
like that. Okay.
Yeah.
For loops already discussed loops, right?
Yeah.
For loop is there, right? For
Mhm.
okay. For of int I equal to 0, I
0.
less than I less than size. What is the size?
It's
Array
10.
size
5.
5, right?
Yeah.
So
5.
ARR of dot length.
Yeah.
What is the length of the array? 5, right?
5. 5.
So automatically came array 5.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I plus. Okay.
Yeah.
Now console write line. Console dot write line of
A
ARR
array dot
of ARR of
I.
I.
Yeah.
See, what is the I value now? Tell me.
0.
0 less than, what is the length?
5.
True, false? 0 less than 5, true or false?
0 less than 5 is true.
True. Condition satisfied, right?
Yeah.
Coming to the
Look.
what is the I value?
Now is 1.
No. By default is 0, right?
Oh, 0. Yeah.
ARR of 0, right? What
Yeah.
will print here? What
0.
will print here?
It's
ARR of
10.
0.
Yeah. It
10.
will print 10.
Now I incremented by 1, right?
Yeah.
What is the I value now? What is the I value?
I value is 1.
By 1.
Because yeah,
1.
it's 1.
1 less than
5 is
1
true.
less than
It's true.
2. Coming
It's
to the loop,
satisfied.
right? What?
That will print
ARR of
20.
20. 10, 20. Then again loop, right? Now
Yeah.
what is the I value?
Now 2.
What is
2.
no? ARR 2 less than 5,
Less
right?
true. Yeah, it's gonna print 30.
30. Now
Yeah.
I value is
3.
3. 3 less than 5, true, right?
Yeah, it's true. It's gonna print 40.
40. Now
Now it's
what is
4.
the I value?
4.
4 less than 5. True
5
or
is
false?
true. True.
Then
It will
ARR
print
of 4 means
50.
50. Then what is the I value?
5.
5. 5 less than 5, true or false?
False. It will terminate.
Terminate the loop.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm running this test case now. It will print 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So sorry. Here, okay. Index out of range, right?
Yeah.
Repeat na 10,
Yeah.
20, 30, 40.
Yes.
Right? Got it now? Loop.
Got it. Yeah.
What is how to declare an array? Any array, nothing. Only data type will change. That's it. That is a string array, integer array, float array, nothing to array. So concept is same, right?
Yeah.
So this is a now tell me, this is a declare an array, right? Okay, declare an array. Now initialize the array, right?
Yeah. Initialize it first.
Initialize the array and retrieve
the value, right? Yeah.
Retrieve value
from the array. Yeah.
Got it, right? Only
Yeah.
3. Okay, declaration initialization, retrieve. That's it. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, got it. The string will be the same way, right? If I want to write anything, it will be the same for the string.
Yeah, everything is same. Yeah, everything is same.
Okay.
Okay, you can try it now. Otherwise, I will help you. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So now tell me. What is the advantages for array to store?
So to store a group of values based on the index.
Group of values based on
Index.
that is the advantage.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mhm.
Now tell me disadvantage.
So if it's out of the range, like the value, the size,
Yeah.
yeah,
The size is fixed, right?
fixed.
Not
Yeah.
possible. So for example, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
The size is 5.
Fixed.
How many
Mhm.
values are stored now?
Only 2.
2. So memory allocation is how many bytes? Actually, 20 bytes.
20 bytes.
Okay.
Yeah. Mhm.
But you are using only 2 bytes, means 8 bytes.
Yeah.
Remaining 12 bytes are
12 bytes
waste.
is waste. Yeah.
So that is the disadvantage. Sometimes
Mhm.
you need to store another value. It's not possible, right?
Yeah.
Sometime memory not sufficient. Sometime memory
Wasted.
wasted. Okay, that is the disadvantage. Okay,
Mhm. Yeah.
size is
Fixed.
fixed. Not possible to increase or decrease
the memory.
size.
Yeah.
Not possible. Okay.
Yeah.
So you declare once 10, you
Yeah.
can say only 10 values. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mhm.
You declare a 5, only you can store only 5 values. That's it. Okay.
Yeah.
You usually only 2 values, remaining 3 fields, memory allocation waste. Oh, so you declare 5 values, not possible to store 6 values. That is not possible. Okay.
Yeah. Mhm.
Not possible to increase or decrease the size. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sometime memory allocation based, sometime memory
Not feasible.
allocation not sufficient.
Yeah.
Okay. Sometime space, sometime
Not
insufficient.
sufficient. Yeah. Uh-huh.
That is the advantages and disadvantages. Okay.
Yeah.
This is the array declaration, initialization, and
Retrieve
values,
the
right?
values. Yeah.
So in the same way, see here one line declare the array. Okay.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Another line initialize the array.
Initialize.
Right?
Yeah.
But here only one line, in the only one line, array declaration and initialization is happening. Right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
This is the one way. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
This is the another way.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Here, same. Here you declare the array, right? Here.
Yeah.
And initialize the array, right?
Yeah.
But here only one line, array declaration and initialization.
Same
Got it
thing
now?
in one line. Yeah. Mhm.
Now I put ARR. What is the index of this one?
Is index is 1. Is 2, 3.
Like that, right?
Yeah, 3, 4,
What is the index for this one?
1.
Index. So it means I print console dot write line.
0.
Yeah.
Yeah, right. Yeah. 1.
What will print now? Tell me what will print here? What will print here?
The number 1 will print 10. Sorry, 20.
20.
Yeah.
You don't forget array starting
Yeah,
from 0.
0. Yeah, yeah.
0, 0. Okay.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Yeah, 50 and 60.
Okay.
Yeah.
ARR of AR 0 means 0 means
0
this is
means
the 0.
10.
1. Now tell me what is the size of this array?
1, 2, 3, 4.
What is the size?
6.
6.
Yeah.
That's it. So you got it now?
Yeah.
Previously declaration one line, initialization in the second line. But
Yeah.
here array declaration initialization one line. This
One
is the
line.
syntax for that one.
Yeah.
So as per your requirement, you can use this one. Otherwise, you can use this one also.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. There
It's
is
fine.
just a different syntax, right? But that was everything will be the same way. Okay.
Same. Only instead of these 2 lines, right?
Yeah.
Only 1 line. That's it. So how many values are there? That is the size.
Yes. 6 values.
Okay. Okay. Got it, Masrima?
Got it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Same for loop. Everything is same. Everything is same. That's
Yeah.
it. Same for loop. Everything is same. Everything is same. Okay.
Yeah.
See now. AR of 0. What will print here?
Here 0 will print 10.
10. AR of 1 means?
20.
AR of 3 means?
3 means 40.
No. I comment out, right? This line.
Oh yeah, no. It's nothing will be print. Yeah.
This is a C. Nothing will print. No. See, the array size is 5, right?
Yeah.
The array size is 5, right?
Yeah.
Okay. By default. Okay. By default. By default value, this is a 0. This is a 0. By default value, 0. Okay. Now, instead of 0, you put 10, 20, right? Now, what is the 0 position?
10.
10. First position?
20.
20. Remaining positions now?
Yeah.
Remaining positions
will be
0, 0. By default value 0, right?
0, yeah.
What will print here now? Tell me.
0.
0. Got it now?
Yeah.
So, the array size is 5. Okay.
Yeah.
When you declare array, by default value 0.
Yeah.
All values 0. But you put value 0 position, 1 position, 10, 20.
Yeah.
Okay. Remaining positions na you don't assign any values, right?
Any
By default
values,
value
yeah.
0.
0, yeah.
Yeah. Of 1 means what is the 1th value? 20,
20,
right?
yeah.
20%. Okay.
Yeah.
When I put ARR of 4 means
default
we don't assign
0.
value, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
0 printed. ARR of 5 na what will happen?
They will be out of size.
Index out of range there. That's it.
Yeah.
Got it na?
Yeah.
Okay. Here also same. Okay. Now array installation declaration 1 line. What is the size of this array?
6.
How many values are there?
6
values are there. Automatically ARR dot length is 6. Okay.
6, yeah.
Automatically length is
6.
6. Length is automatically how many? Now you put one more value. comma 70. Now what is the length of this array?
Now is 7.
7. Okay.
Yeah.
You print ARR of 1 now. What will print?
1 will print
ARR of
20.
20 print. Why? Index starting from 0.
0, yeah.
ARR of 6 now. What will print?
6 will print 1, 2, 3, 4, 70.
70. ARR of 7 now. What will print?
Nothing will print because there will be out of print.
Out of range exception. Exception is
Yeah.
the exception. Okay, that's it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. This is the single dimensional array. Okay, two
Okay.
arrays are there. One is single dimension and multi-dimension. Okay, as of now, this is a single dimensional array.
Okay.
Okay, you practice this thing, na?
Okay. Yeah, I will.
We'll discuss tomorrow regarding the double dimensional array. Okay.
So what we're gonna do tomorrow? You said double dimension arrays?
Yes, Masluma, you practice this thing today.
Okay, I will. Yeah, okay then.
Practice, na? Okay.
Yeah.
Bye, Masluma.
Bye. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.